Today I'm using the Saramonic Air, regular air, not the SE. So I got the USB plugged in directly to the Mission 1 Pro. I have the mic under my shirt, it's over here. And it actually has the wind muff on it. I keep the wind muff on it because I don't want to lose it. And since it snaps on, it's perfect. This kit is a little bit bigger than this, well, a lot of bit bigger than the Saramonic SE. So I do like carrying the SE more because it's easier. But this kit is just way more efficient. And it fits directly into the GoPro. So that's a good thing. I don't know how much wind you hear picking up. Hopefully none, because like I said, the microphone is under my shirt and it does have the wind muff on. So this is like my ideal combo. All I need is a quieter bike. I think the sun is to the right of me today, so well right now, so I'm not backlit. Like I said, I can't see my face again. So I guess every time I have this thing facing me on this, I'm using the smallrig. It's like the clamp, so it's probably like 4 or 5 inches. And it's on the handlebars, so not that wide of a, even though I have the GoPro on wide, it's still pretty close, and I can't see my head because the record signal is, I mean the record time is covering my head. All right, let's see, I'm gonna cross. I can cross. All right, probably once I turn, the sun's gonna be directly behind me again, and I'll be backlit. But I don't think I'm gonna record the whole way anyway. So once I turn, and I get up that hill, I'll probably turn off first. And I'll probably edit out the part where I'm going up the hill, because you don't want to see me sucking wind. Yo, there's like so many dead animals on this road. Okay, that's a dead possum. Every day, it's like another dead animal on the street. Saw a finch, saw a robin, always see raccoons, squirrel. That's my first possum. All right, going on the incline right now. Almost there. And then I can use all the energy left, hit the stop button. All right, there we go. Still a little bit of inclines going up until I go down, but that's all for now. All right, Brooklyn salute, I'm out. GoPro Mission 1 Pro, Saramonic Air. cheating. He got an electric bike. All right, Brooklyn Salute, I'm out.
They call me Brooklyn Jimmy. Lens on the city. Got the drone up high. The footage stay gritty. I paint the bird.